But I think this thing is motion activated. So I'm gonna slam the door. I got in real gently, not to disturb it. But I think if I slam the door and it jars it, it'll come on. Let's see. Pretty slick, huh? All right. Today's video is, ta-da, man. All right. So this thing went off on me yesterday in the parking lot. I'm going to a meeting and the alarm goes off. It goes, nah, nah, nah. I didn't know what it was. It's making all this noise. I'm like, what is wrong with the car? I thought it was a car because I forgot it was in here and I didn't know what it sounded like. So the alarm goes off. I'm trying to figure out what it is. Come to find out, it was so hot in terms of the day and the concrete, the asphalt was so hot that the pressure went up to 45 degrees in the tires. So I set it low like that to test it later, but I forgot. So it went up to 45 PSI and the alarm went off. So I decided to adjust it right then and there in the parking lot. And I made a video right there in the parking with this phone. And this is not the second video that I was going to make to update it. This is just an update. But this is not the review. This is not the formal review of me using it for several weeks. This is just something that happened. And so I said, well, this is a good opportunity to show what it does when there's an alarm, and specifically when it's too high. So the alarm actually does sound differently too when it's too high or too low. So this is what happened to me yesterday in the parking lot.
Is on the left.
Well, we got a little bit high on the pressure and the alarm went off. So we know that part works. All right, let a little air up. Let a little air pressure out. So I'm gonna see how to turn it off. Touch the power button and see if it goes off. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go let some air out of that tire. Very cool. I'm actively letting air out of the tire, and the alarm goes off because of the rapid change in pressure. See, I'm letting air out. Now I'm gonna stop it. All right. So now we're gonna see what the pressure is. Stop the alarm, and we're at 40. Nice. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. All right, so I'm gonna loosen this up and let it start leaking, and then we're gonna go and look at the monitor and see when the alarm goes off. A little bit of a leak. Here we go. Now let's go to the monitor. It should detect that pretty soon, and the alarm should go off. We're at 40. Let's stop this one again. All right. I like it. That's what I needed last time when I had a flat. All right, I loosened the little back nut. Let's do this one too. This is the right front. And let the alarm go off. A little bit of a leak. We're leaking. And let's go see what we get. The right front. Leaking really slow, so the alarm should take a little bit longer, but it should go off when it notices it's so hot outside that the pressure's gone way up, but I'm letting a little bit of pressure out because it's too high for me. There you go. And as the pressure goes down, it continues to give you the real-time readout. I like that. So I can let the pressure go down, watch the gauge, and then go stop the leak when it's down to about, I'm gonna say I want to get it down to like 35 at least. So I'm at 37. It was at 38. Now it says it's reading 37. I'm letting the leak continue, and it probably should say 36 here pretty soon. And I'll let it keep on going down. Oh wow, look at that, 35. So I'll go stop it. I already got 35 on the right front, so I'm gonna stop it again. And now I'm gonna do the left front and get it down to 35. So I removed one of the sensors, and this is what you're gonna see if you have a blowout or a failure. All right, we're letting a little leak out of the left front, and let's see what happens. Let's watch our pressure here. Good enough for me. All right, so that's basically it. The pressures are 37 in the rear, 35 in the front now. Cool, it's in the garage, so it's settled in. It's a tiny bit high, maybe 1 or 2 PSI, but that's fine. I'm not gonna worry about that. I just want to show you guys what happens when the alarm goes off, what it sounds like, what it looks like. And I'm gonna still do the other video, the review in a few weeks, but this happened, so I just wanted to show you guys a little quick video. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day.